Hello sweetcorns, welcome back to corn. As I promised, I am back with another clay project video. So today I am going to make clay magnets for the first time using my homemade clay from my previous video, which is just wall putty and water dough. First knead the clay, then apply wall putty powder on the surface. Next, using clay tools, roll out the clay, and if you don't have any clay tools, don't worry. As you can see, I also don't have any, so I am using random junk piece as clay tools. I draw some shapes on I think these are called baking paper, and I cut out the shapes with scissors. I want you guys to know through this video that you don't need any special tools or expensive materials to create things. You can just make it with whatever you have. At least try and see what you can create. You might create something incredible. Okay, enough with my motivation ramble. Next, using these paper templates, I am going to cut out the clay shapes. If you want to watch the full process without any cuts or speed up, you can watch that on my second channel, Relax with Corn. Click on the top right corner or check out the description after watching this video. After making the clay shapes, let them to dry for one day. The next steps are pretty much self-explanatory, so I won't bore you guys with my rambling for now. Enjoy the music. Once the first layer of paint dries, I will add the details. Next step is very simple. Glue the magnets on the back. In total, I made 10 magnets, but I didn't like the ramen bowl. I didn't like how it turned out. I'm really bad at painting tiny details, so I decided to save it for use in another craft, maybe in future. And I have put the video of painting the ramen bowl at the very end of this video. Next and final step is varnish. So my lovely sweetcorns, that's it for this video. I cannot believe they turned out so beautiful, so cute. Please give this craft a try and let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for your time, and again, if you guys want to watch the less edited version, click on the top right corner and watch till the end. I captured some beautiful footage of the shiny magnets in the sunset, and listen to the little ASMR at the end. If you have any questions, ask me. Love you, sweetcorns. Take care of yourself and drink enough water.